We're here, and you got some of the best from all over the world in Dubai at the World Health Expo, because these are some of the biggest health brands in the world. If money wasn't an issue and all you wanted was the best quality of life, what would be the one thing that would be the most important? All right, so we're here at the WHX show in Dubai at the World Health Expo. It's pretty exciting stuff here. Man, you got some of the best from all over the world.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
And we're here because we're having meetings with thought leaders. Check out how much money they put into their booths, because these are some of the biggest health brands in the world. And it's all interactive. Good question is to ask why. Why spend so much money? Why invest into these booths? Now, the reason they do that is because they're bringing people in from all over the world, and they're showcasing the best of what they have to offer for healthcare professionals, governments, distribution sources. Everything that you see in this show is to leave an impression on people who are here on the magnitude of what these businesses do. Then what's the thing that everyone needs? If money wasn't an issue and all you wanted was the best quality of life, not just for you, but for your population, and you had almost every other resource you needed, then what would be the one thing that would be the most important? Well, first of all, your health. What else? Well, the longevity of your population. If you were solely focused on the longevity of your population and on the health and wellness of your people, you knew that was your number one responsibility, was your people, then you'd understand why these companies, these governments, these agencies, these institutions, you'd understand why they invest so much into what they're doing here at the show. It's about how do you live a healthier, longer, happier life. We are at the front end and cutting edge of technology. We are going to take our technology to the world at 10x Health and 10x Revive. And we're going to work with partners who are changing the world. Biological age, your genes, the fact that you can edit genes today and take things out and put things in the future, you'll have the opportunity to entirely edit your genome. This is where technology is going. The ability to fully optimize yourself as a human being, the ability to be able to edit out what's wrong, edit in what's right. Oh man, there's never been a better time to be alive. Stay tuned, we got some cool shit we're gonna show you. You know where the world's going right now. In another 10 years, you'll have gene editing, you'll have genomic mapping, the ability to do transplants, all sorts of things, because the ability to understand the human body, what works for it, what works against it. Something as simple as nutrition. You can supplement your nutrition with and augment it with peptides. You have cellular therapies, different levels of cellular therapies. The goal here is to eradicate disease. Now, the way you do that is, first and foremost, don't do things that cause disease. Pay attention to what you put in your body. Pay attention to the things you drink. Pay attention to where it was formulated, where it was grown at, what materials were put on the things you're ingesting. There may be a future where you can live disease-free by paying attention to what's going in here. Now, of course, you have the environment, you have other considerations as well. But the more you can control the controllables, the more you can put science behind what works and study what that looks like around the world, the faster we can bring solutions to human beings to live a healthier, happier life, but also to optimize you as a human being so you feel like the best version of yourself. You feel like you have the energy and the ability, and you don't have the brain fog, you don't have the hangover of aging, and you can be the best at what you do, the best way you do it. If you think living in your little town, paying attention to your smaller business is going to give you the solutions and the answers you need to understand how to build a huge business to become relevant in this world, you have to get out of your marketplace. I said earlier, the average business generates its revenue from 3.8 miles in 22 minutes in their little marketplace. But you know what's happening around the world? The whole world's exploding with new technology, new innovations, new leadership. These are the things that are happening around the world. And if you stay in that little town and you don't get out and go see what's going on, and if you don't build relationships with people who are actually out exploring and creating and connecting, and that's why I say collaboration is a new currency. because you can't do it all yourself, but who you do surround yourself with, who you associate with, who you work with, what their intention is, what they're focused on. This is the stuff that's going to give you exposure to what's happening around the world. And who knows, the world's changing quickly and you have an opportunity to be a part of that change. But you got to get out of your little market and you have to go around the world, or otherwise you get trapped in your own little ecosystem with your own little people doing the same thing every day, thinking that's reality. And the truth is, reality is what you go out and explore and create for yourself.